Assalamualaikum, my dear student. I hope you are all okay. We are continuing multiplication chapter. It's lecture number 4. Let's see the problem. We have to multiply 134 with 62. First, we have to multiply last number with 132. Then 2 4 the 8, 3 2 the 6, 2 1 the 2. 0 for explaining tens position. 6 4 the 24, handing 2 or carrying 2. 6 3 the 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 0 carrying 2 again. 6 1 the 6, 6 and 2, 8. 8 0 8, 6 4 10, hand in 1 carrying 1, 2 plus 1 3, 8 plus nothing is 8. I am explaining again. 134 by multiply 2 is 262. 0 for explaining tens position. 134 multiplied by 6. Answer is 804. Then add these two numbers. Answer is 8308. Okay, I'm going to explain another one. Let's multiply first last number with 604. 2 4 the 8, 2 0 the 0, 2 6, 12. Then 0 for explaining tens position. 7 for the 28. 8 writing here and carrying 2. 7 0 the 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 7 the 42. Then add these two lines. 8 0 8, again 0 8, 8, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 1 3 and 4. Answer is 43,488. I hope you can understand. You have to practice more and more. Thank you very much. No more today.